Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. How do you add the meta title and the meta description to the home page of the website? So if we go to Google search results and we look at this page, for example, we can see here a meta title and a meta description. So this appears in the search results for your website. Let's go back to the website. We're going to go to the admin area and then we're going to go to My Content Web Page Builder. And you can set this for all of your static pages. We're just looking at the home page just now. So we click on Edit and we can go to the SEO settings. And when we go to the SEO settings, we can see here information regarding the meta title and the meta description. If this is a default website, you will have some variable names in here. So you've got the word profession been repeated here, and you've also got the website name. Now you can remove that, so you can simply just delete that and put in any text that you want. And the same for the meta descriptions. I would always recommend that you leave the meta keywords blank as it's no longer required by Google. And then you have your social media sharing meta title and meta descriptions. So you can do this for each page, put in a title, ensuring you're using the keywords that you're using on your page, repeat them keywords in the meta description and make an informative description up. And then you can set your social media sharing meta title and description up as well. Another place that you can set up meta title and meta description information would be in your SEO templates. So these apply to your posts and your search results and your listings. So in here, you can simply click on, for example, the global website search. We'll edit it. And then here again, you can input what you want the meta title information to say, what you want the meta description. And again, for this, I would leave the keywords empty. And then again, you can do it for your social media sharing as well. There's one other place that you can update information. If you go to My Members, search members, and you find a member. So we're going to use sample member 3. So we go to quick edit, and then we go to advanced options. When we scroll down, we can see here that we can actually insert a meta title, meta keywords, meta description for an individual member. Or we can just fetch that information from the SEO templates that are available in the system. So you can just simply click fetch and it will fetch the information on the SEO templates. So that's your meta title and meta description information. Worth ensuring that you update that completely before launching your website. I hope you found that useful and thanks for watching.